what is winning? How do you define a winner? And this is a very important aspect before starting anything. So I think before starting any batch, I think you should be knowing exactly who is a winner. Now I can understand everyone has a different definition of a winner, everyone has a different definition of perfection. But then also, the definition obviously will keep on evolving all throughout your life. But right now, most of the test aspirants would be in the 20s and all. So they will have a very different definition, I think, at that time. But then also, I would like to add some aspects to your understanding, so that I think it will help you how you define winning, and it will also help you in your preparation and your keeping the right mindset. Number one, I think winning is all about mind. Okay, you become a winner in the mind first. पहले आप अपने दिमाग में winner बनते हैं. ज़्यादातर क्या होता है, in the most of the times what we see is most of the people, whenever they are starting it, any journey, any effort, they would actually get bogged down mentally first. Okay, 98% of the people will have many kind of apprehensions like, यार ये तो engineer है, इसने तो maths किया है, and many other things like he's from primary institute like XYZ, he's a doctor, he's something, he's already topped 11th and 12th and board, and that's why he would be winning. And believe me, actually what exactly is happening in that case is you are actually losing the battle or losing the war before even it's starting. तो जब भी कोई वॉर स्टार्ट हो रहा है या बैटल स्टार्ट हो रहा है, आपके आगे कोई भी हो, यू हैव टू बी ए विनर, थिंक लाइक ए विनर राइट फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग. आपके माइंड में होना चाहिए कि मैं किसी को नहीं छोड़ूंगा, या आई विल डिफीट एवरीवन इन एवरीथिंग एवरीवेयर एंड एवरी टाइम. ओके, ये माइंड में होना चाहिए. आई विल डिफीट एवरीवन इन एवरीथिंग, इन एवरी एंटिटी, इन एवरी टाइम एंड एवरीवेयर. Now I just like to add some things to your understanding, so it will actually help you evolve a definition of winning. Number one, as I told you, winning is all about mind. Okay, don't let your mind think about anything. Okay, don't let your mind define winning. You tell your mind that this is winning and I am the winner. Now, for that, what exactly you have to do? Every person in this world, every living organism, human or any other organism, will have some wins, will have some losing in the past. Now, what exactly the difference between a winner and a loser is? Winner concentrates on his wins in the past, and the losers concentrate on his losings or losses in the past. That's the only difference. I meant to say, what exactly you're focusing upon actually makes you a winner or a loser. Number two, I've seen many students in my total life in which people have very big apprehensions of मेरा IQ अच्छा नहीं है, I haven't done very well in maths, I don't do very well in XYZ and all. So I just want to say one thing to all of you students. इस life में it is not important of what you have. The most important part is what you do with what you have. I'll give you one more. I'm repeating the point. हर कोई अपने आप को analyze कर रहा है कि see the person next to me is much more taller to me, much more smarter than me, much more earning better than me, much more handsome than me or beautiful than me. But believe me, it is not about what you have. Every person will have some merits, some demerits. The difference actually lies in not what you have, but what you do with what you have. The next point, लाइफ में काफ़ी लोग स्ट्रैटेजाइजिंग बहुत करते हैं. दे थिंक अ लॉट. बट बिलीव मी, लाइफ इज नॉट अबाउट स्ट्रैटेजाइजिंग. लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट एग्जीक्यूटिंग। ये जितनी आपको दुनिया में यो आपको विनर्स दिखते हैं, आप विनिंग को जैसे भी डिफाइन करते हो, आप उसको मनी के टर्म्स में डिफाइन करते हो या अचीवमेंट में या कोई और तरीके से, बट जितने भी ये दुनिया में विनर्स हैं ये स्ट्रैटेजिस्ट अच्छे नहीं हैं। मेसी इज नॉट ए वेरी बिग स्ट्रैटेजिस्ट, और माराडोना और सचिन तेंदुलकर और एनीवन एल्स, व्हाटएवर द डेफिनेशन ऑफ योर विनिंग इज, they are a good execution guys. Don't spend too much time in strategizing on planning. Okay, execute and you will see results. Every decision with whatever the thinking you may do, आप वो सोचते जाइए 1 day, 2 day, maybe a year, maybe 10 years. Every decision will have a positives and negatives. But then also, what exactly life is not about taking the right decision. Life is all about making your decisions right. I meant to say, you should plan it, you should strategize it, but don't overspend your time in making the right decision. Spend your whole life in making what are the decisions you have taken right. So it is not about taking the right decision, it is about making the decisions right. The next thing, now test aspirants always say, now most of the people see test, if I say you have to go for CAT or a GMAT or a SAT, they will say, hi, it's a very difficult times, very adverse times, I have to spend a lot of time working, spending hard working and all. But believe me, comfortable time में आपका रोल ही क्या है? I meant to say, it is adversity which brings the best out of you. Rather, उसे थोड़ा सा अच्छे में डिफाइन अगर करूँ तो adversity होती है जो आपका true yourself को बाहर लाती है, या क्या in a way we can say the adversity actually brings the real you out. Are you a winner or a loser? Actually adverse times pulls it out of you, or इसे in a better I would say a teacher way I would say, the response to the adversity is a real measure of what your character and what you are. Very important. Now the next thing which I want to talk about is, if you are, don't define your winning as the person who is topping the CAT or MBA or IAS are the winners. They are not. अगर मैं अपने पूरे स्टूडेंट का टाइम्स में या अभी भी जो बच्चों से मिलता हूँ और पढ़ाता हूँ, अगर मैं उनको याद करता हूँ तो मुझे कोई भी विनर में कैट कोई टॉपर या MBA टॉपर या GMAT SAT CUT टॉपर, आई डोंट रिकॉल एनीवन, बट आई रिकॉल सम फेसेस. They did what? They improved themselves much more than the other people. I meant to say, if you are already standing at 99.98 and after years you score 99.99, you are a topper. But can you be called a topper? The person who's a topper is who is a 60 percentiler and ends up getting 99.98 percentile or even 98 percentile. He is the real winner. The definition of winning is, if my today is better than my yesterday, अगर मेरा आज मेरे कल से अच्छा है तो मैं विनर हूँ. मैं आपको भी यही कह रहा हूँ, जब ये आप जो भी बैचेस में जाएं या जो भी आप अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, दूसरों से मतलब मत रखिए. डोंट कम्पीट विद अदर्स. आप अपने आप से कम्पीट शुरू करिए आज से. इफ योर टुडे इज बेटर देन योर यस्टरडे, you are a winner. This is the real definition of a winning. And believe me, अगर आज से भी आपका आज जो कल बीत गया उससे अच्छा है, तो आप ज़िंदगी के ऐसे टाइम पे पहुंच जाएंगे कि आपके लेवल तक कोई भी ज़िंदगी में पहुंच नहीं पाएगा. आई एम रिपीटिंग माई पॉइंट. इफ़ यू जस्ट बिलीव that winning is just making your today better than your yesterday, which has already, the kal which is already has happened, believe me, you will reach a stage where no human would ever be able to reach. So try to make your today better than your yesterday, और आज को आप अपने जो बीता कल है उससे बेहतर बनाइए. और that's what you have to do. Keep on competing with yourself. Today I got 40 marks out of 100. Tomorrow I should get 41. Day after that 42. Day after that 43. And believe me, one day you will reach a stage where not a single person would be able to reach you. So that's what winning is. आप अपने माइंड में डालिए. compete लोगों से मत करिए, अपने आप से करिए. एंड आप हर रेस को नहीं जीत पाओगे, कोई भी नहीं जीत पाता है. विनिंग लूजिंग इज़ ए पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. लाइफ की एक अच्छी क्वालिटी क्या है कि वो आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी देता रहता है, जस्ट लाइक डे एंड नाइट. सो टुडे रेस इज गोइंग ऑन एंड मे बी द पर्सन नेक्स्ट टू मी वुड विन टुडे. इट कैन हैपन, बट देन ऑल्सो द टुमारो मॉर्निंग वी ऑल विल बी एट जीरो once more. So every day will become a new race, new zero, and a new opportunity, and everyone will be standing at zero tomorrow morning. So new race. So keep in mind, the winner is in your mind. Winning is a mindset in which you believe in yourself. And believe me, the most important thing in life is how you identify yourself. लोग अपने कैसे डेफिनेशन देते हैं विनिंग की, कि लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, क्या मेरा इंटरव्यू टीवी में आता है, क्या मुझे सारे लोग फॉलो करते हैं, क्या मुझे सब लोग विनर कहते हैं. इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. लोग आपको क्या कहते हैं इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. आपको कोई फ़ायदा भी नहीं होगा. आपकी रियल विनिंग है द वे यू आइडेंटिफाई योर सेल्फ, एंड द डे यू आइडेंटिफाई योर सेल्फ एज ए विनर, यू आर ए विनर.